how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So before I explain about this new concept which I am bringing in my upcoming sale, and even after sale, as I always say, these are things which are always available with us, and you can connect with the team and always pick up these things. So this is basically what we call it as the lamp, the Aladdin's lamp, or we call it as Aladdin ka Chirag. So I'm going to name this spell as your wish is my command, because I want to bring in a little different spell. And the main concept behind this is I always give a lot of research to my WICCA students. They do a lot of research. Now when they do researches, they try those researches, and then they bring in, because WICCA is what we work with nature. At the same time we do our own, we develop our own researches, we develop our own spell. So this spell, as I said, I'm going to call it as your wish is my command. The way we say in Aladdin's thing, Jo Hukum Mere Aaka. So whatever is your desire, it's going to give you. And one of my students, he is the one who invented this spell for me, and he gave me an idea. So we tried it, it came out beautifully well. So what do? When I send you, it's more like as I said, whatever you wish for. When I send you, I will be sending you either a card like this, or I will be sending you some parchment paper also with it, behind which I will ask you all to draw a table. Now that table, you will get it from me, because the table sometimes varies and the table sometimes is same. The table you will get it from me through the WhatsApp when you pick up this set. Now this table you will draw here, okay, and then you will keep this under this. You can keep it under this and you can draw it. But if you want to carry the card with you, what you can do is you can keep this separately, like how I am keeping here separately when I am doing the ritual. Okay, so it works as a road opener, and it also works as a whatever you wish for happens. So you can call it as Jo Hukum Mere Aaka, or your wish is my command. So what we'll be doing is, that table is what you will draw, and that same table, if you can, you will draw here also with the help of your athems. So you can draw it. Athem is what I'll be sending you all. If you don't have, then you can let me know. I can always tell you the price of the athem. So you'll be drawing the table here, and there are 4 Arabic alphabets which I'll be letters or words which I'll be sending for each color. That is the more speciality, because we work with more powerful energies when we are doing this candle. So you keep this candle in the center, okay. Now with this, we will be sending you, I had already made years back the oil called as abracadabra oil. As I say, it happens, or as I say, I manifest. So a little bit in a small bottle, you will get my abracadabra oil, which you'll be applying in this. You'll be applying in the candles also. And then what we will do is, these are for the 4 Arabic words, or we call it as the 4 angels. Some people call it as the 4 demons. I would call it as the 4 angels. I don't believe in energies working on demonic magic, but I believe in working on the angelic magic. So the 4 angels. So we will keep 2 in the front, okay, 4 pillars, so 2 at the back. All right. Now when you are drawing the table down, as you draw the table, you will intend that whatever you're asking for happens and it comes true. I am not drawing the table and showing it, because many people tend to not understand the energy behind the tables, and then they just use it randomly. They just zoom the video and they use it randomly. So it is not good to just openly use it without proper knowledge and proper validation. So that's the reason I'm not burning these candles, or I'm not even showing you these. So again, the words which I said, the way I'm sending, usually we all know Arabic words is written from right to left, right? So you will write it here. You will carve it in each candle. I will tell you for which color candle what is the word you will carve. And after that, what you will do is, you will start first with the white, which if you keep it this way, it is very well and good. Else you will start with the white, the blue, the green, the red, and then the genie candle. This is how you will burn this concept. If you do this on every Sunday for 11 Sundays, you will see good benefits. But if you don't want to do it on every Sunday, you can do it on every full moon and new moon also. That again will give you beautiful results. So I hope you all try this, and it works beautifully for you all, and it works amazingly, because usually when I had launched this candle years back, I had said that this candle is more like Aladdin ka Chirag, and we use it for wishes which we feel are impossible, but we have inner wish to desire and to achieve. And I had told my students that whenever you use this a candle, take the oil and apply it like this, as if you're rubbing the lamp, and the genie comes out, and then he or she fulfills our wishes. So what are you waiting for? Just do that, and I'm sure you people will love this ritual, and you people will see beautiful results from this. So I hope you all liked it. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon, and also share it with your friends and family so that they can also experience this magic. Thank you.